In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI for PPT presentation. So now creating AI presentations. So it could be really easy to create presentations using Perplexity. And here you can see we got this down install option as well. You can get it for your in a application form basically. So I suggest activating the academic mode, or you simply dive onto that since it is specifically tailored for academic researchers and stuff like that. So you can simply write it that I want a presentation about, let's just say, create a presentation with AI, right? So it is going to be creating. You can see we have presentations on Canva using that, and you can simply get this integration for Canva presentations.ai. So basically this is something else, but you have your presentations. You can see we have this entire table given, which we can download by the way, and we can use it in our presentations. So it's pretty easy. You can also get it easily done and export it. So I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.